Okay, I'm going to use my ladder to go up into the attic. To my knowledge, this is the only attic access in the house. So obviously, and it goes without saying, this is going to be limited. We've got electric cables next to the entrance. We've got piping next to the entrance. We do not have 18 inches of headroom next to the entrance. The entrance itself is only 19 by 22 inches. Again, anybody could use this ladder but me. I just don't trust it. I'm going to use my trusty old man ladder here. We're just going to go up, take a peek. We've got OSB over lath. At one time, this is a wood shingle roof. So when they took the wood shingles off, what they usually do is they just let them fall. There's a little more room up here than I was expecting. We got improper electric junctions, truss system, undersized purlins, we expect that. Closed dryer vent, we did not use a real vent. We used a connector improperly. Okay. Lots of bad insulation. Just can't see a lot going on in here.